Unlock unparalleled personal productivity by crafting your very own AI assistant, powered by Deepseek. We're going to create a personalized AI assistant, precisely tailored to your needs, using the powerful Deepseek model. First, we prepare your data. Think about the specific tasks you want your AI to excel at, like summarizing, drafting, or fetching information. The cleaner the data, the smarter the assistant. Next, we fine-tune the Deepseek model. This is where you teach the AI your preferred methods, guiding it with examples to adapt its knowledge to your unique requirements. After fine-tuning, we build a user interface. This is how you'll interact with your personalized AI, making its capabilities easily accessible. Finally, we integrate specific functionalities, connecting your AI to features like calendar integration or knowledge base access, tailored to your workflow. With Deepseek, you create an intelligent partner designed to enhance your productivity and bring unparalleled convenience. Let's build your personalized AI assistant.